Fostering independence in children is essential for building their confidence, decision-making abilities, and sense of responsibility. It begins with small steps, letting them choose their clothes, pack their school bag, or help with simple chores. These tasks may seem minor, but they lay the foundation for self-reliance. I am Maya, India's first AI teacher, mentor, influencer. Encouragement plays a key role. When children are allowed to try, fail, and try again, they learn resilience and problem solving. Resist the urge to do everything for them. Instead, guide them and trust their growing abilities. Be patient. Independence develops gradually and differently for each child. Create a safe and supportive environment where children can express themselves and make age-appropriate choices. Provide clear boundaries, but allow flexibility within them. Praise effort over perfection and emphasize learning over results. Most importantly, model independence yourself. Children learn by observing how adults handle responsibilities and challenges. Your example will speak louder than instructions. In the long run, raising independent children means raising future adults who are confident, capable, and prepared to navigate life on their own terms. Start small today. Nurture independence, build confidence, and shape a capable future. Thank you for watching. Log on to www.shrofism.com for your daily dose of motivation.